In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a LinkedIn account shortcut on Windows 10. This simple process allows you to quickly access your LinkedIn account directly from your desktop, saving you time and keeping you connected with your professional network. Let's dive in and get started on setting this up. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. Once there, log into your LinkedIn account with your credentials. Make sure everything loads properly and you're on the home page of your LinkedIn account. This initial step establishes the starting point for creating a shortcut that will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile every time you use it. Next, look towards the top right corner of the web page for 3 vertical dots, commonly known as the More Options icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for interacting with the current page. Take a moment to explore these options as they can be quite useful for various browser functions. However, today, our focus will be on an option that makes accessing LinkedIn even easier. In this drop-down menu, you'll notice options like Cast, Save, and Share, among others. What you're looking for is the Create Shortcut option. This is the feature that transforms a simple web page into a more readily accessible application on your computer. Click on Create Shortcut. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm the creation of the shortcut. Go ahead and confirm it. Now, just like that, a shortcut has been installed on your Windows 10 desktop, pointing directly to your LinkedIn account. Think of this shortcut as a direct flight to your professional network. You simply double-click on it, and you'll be transported right to your LinkedIn account without the need to open a browser and navigate manually. It's a small change that can make your daily routine more streamlined and efficient. And there you have it. You've successfully created a shortcut to LinkedIn on your Windows 10 desktop. This method is incredibly versatile and can be applied to virtually any web page that you visit frequently. Whether it's for work, personal research, or networking, shortcuts can help keep your desktop organized and your workflow smooth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button. For more valuable tips and tricks on technology and productivity, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.